Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a training on two different topics. The first is setting expectations for your customers. So whenever you get a customer, you want to set expectations for them up front. You don't want them to start taking our products and for them to feel like they are going to see these incredible, amazing results in 5 days or in 2 weeks. Now, I will say that I have many people, customers and people on my team that take our products who after the very first week have seen a loss in weight and a loss in inches and they're feeling great. But there are several people who don't see results until maybe the end of the first month or maybe the end of even the second month. We need to remember that we didn't put on our weight overnight. We didn't get to an unhealthy, lethargic, tired, stressed out, overweight state in 3 weeks. And so we can't expect to undo all of that in 3 weeks either, especially with our products that are natural and they're working from the inside out. They're healthy for us and it's going to take time to restore that, to get our body back in sync and for it to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I am really upfront with my customers in the beginning. I always try to have everyone commit to 60 days on our products. We have a 60-day money-back guarantee, and that has been huge in helping me to secure my customers for longer than just 30 days, just 1 month. Whenever I talk to them about the 60-day money-back guarantee, I'm also telling them that I want them to commit. I want them to really commit to taking this product consistently for 60 days. So when I do that, I feel like I'm setting the expectation for them, not to really maybe expect results within the first week or the third week, but really just to be paying really close attention to their journey along the way. So I'm also encouraging them to look for non-scale victories, things like having more energy, sleeping better at night, maybe having less cravings, eating smaller portion sizes. I want them to be noticing these things as well because a lot of times people are feeling better and then that is what will get them to commit to taking the products a little bit longer. Now there's also a flip side to that and you need to be aware of this as well. Some people when they start taking Plexus don't feel better right away. Some people start taking the Slim and instead of it giving them energy, it might make them feel more tired at the beginning. Or if they start out with ProBio 5, they might feel yucky as they're killing the candida in their body. So you need to be aware of that as an ambassador and you need to be able to talk your customers through that and to not panic when that happens, to let them know that this is totally normal. Our body is straightening itself out, it's working from the inside out, and sometimes it just takes time for them to see the really awesome results that you know that they're going to have, and you can be confident in that. So just be sure to set expectations up front with your customers. You don't want them thinking that they're going to start our products and lose 10 pounds in a week. Some people do, remember that. But many don't. Many need to stick with it for the full 60 days before they start to see the results. So I feel like me doing that has really helped me not only secure customers, but it's helped me not panic whenever someone reaches out to me and they say, you know, it's been 3 weeks and I don't have any results. I kind of reply with, that's okay, you're not supposed to really have results in 3 weeks all of the time. And then I can help troubleshoot. You know, of course, I'll ask them how they're taking their products and what products they're taking, and I'll go through all of the troubleshooting steps with them. But our products are amazing and they do work. So set expectations up front and as an ambassador, be willing to troubleshoot with your people. And the next thing that I want to go over is totally unrelated to the products. It is about whenever you sign a new ambassador. So if you are starting to build your team and you sign a new ambassador, it's really important that as you grow your team, you know your ambassadors. What I have found as I sign people is that instead of overwhelming them right away and giving them every single thing that they need to know about Plexus, what I have found is that most people work better in small chunks. So what I do is I try to find out if they are like that need-it-all kind of person where they want everything at once or if they like the little nuggets of information. And I would say probably 95% of people do better with the nuggets of information. You don't want to overwhelm them by giving them too much information in the beginning. So What I want to go over with you right now are the 5 things that I want you to do when you sign a new ambassador. The first 5 things that you need to do. The first thing is you're going to want to add them to the team page. So this would be your uplines page, or if you have a team page yourself. I will say that was so huge in my success as an ambassador, being able to go onto the team page and read the files, which are super informative, use the magnifying glass to search keywords, and then when necessary, ask questions. It was also a place where my belief was built. I saw several people promoting every month, and just the people on the team page that I was added to were just always posting really encouraging things that would help me grow my business. So that's the first thing that you're going to do, is welcome them to the team page. The next thing that you're going to encourage them to do is to start posting daily right away. I always talk to my new ambassadors and I set 2 goals for them. The first is that I want them to reach 500 PV in their first month, because if they do that, then they're going to qualify for the 25% commission, and that's going to help them have a really great first paycheck. And the second thing is I want to encourage them to hit silver. And so that is to sign 3 ambassadors with their auto qualifications on. And of course, you always want to encourage them to purchase a welcome pack as well. And so if they hit silver, then they're going to get the $100 silver bonus, which is also going to help their first paycheck be amazing. So talk to them about 3 people that they know, 3 people that they have influence over in their life that maybe they could approach about this business. If they're posting daily, then there's a huge potential that someone may reach out to them about the business as well. So number 1, you're going to add them to the team page. Number 2, you're going to encourage them to start posting daily so they can get their PV up and so they can find ambassadors that are going to join them on their Plexus journey. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to encourage them to be a product of the product. So you're going to talk to them about what products that they're taking, and you're going to make sure that they're taking them correctly, because you really want your new ambassadors to have amazing results with Plexus. Now, I know that this isn't something that everyone can do right away, but it is important as you build your business and as you grow and as you start to receive paychecks, that you become a product of every Plexus product that you can. Because here's the thing, if you're not using the Fast Relief Cream, then it is very, very likely that you are not selling the Fast Relief Cream, because you can't really talk about it and you don't really have a testimonial for it. The same thing goes for maybe the Plexus 96. If you're not selling as an ambassador, if you're not selling any of the Plexus 96, I bet it's because you yourself are not drinking the Plexus 96. So I'm not telling you to go out and buy every single Plexus product right now. I know that if you're just starting out, you might not be able to afford to do that. But I am saying that as you grow your business and as you're earning more money, I want you to start adding products in each month. The more products that you yourself are personally taking, then the more testimonials you are going to have, and you're going to be a better ambassador because of it, because you're going to really know how to talk about and share these products with others. So you're going to add people to the team page, encourage them to post daily, and encourage them to really become a product of the product. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to tag them to the pin post on my team page. I have several really great getting started tips. If you're on my team, then you're going to do this, and hopefully they're going to read through it, and it's going to really, really, really help them know how to best get started. So that is the pin post on our team page. Just tag them there and let them know to read through it as soon as they possibly can, so they can get off to the best start as possible. And then what you're going to do is you're going to send them the 6 emails to help them get started, or whatever version of that your upline has. So what I've done for my team is I have 6 emails that I like to send to all of my new ambassadors. Of course, you're going to tweak them and make them your own. They are just really, really there so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel, so that you don't have to spend the time writing them from scratch or having to think of the right verbiage. So I always forward these to all of my new ambassadors, and they are also on our team page in the files. There are 6 of them, and they are just a great, great, great way to get someone started. Now, I always tell people that I'm going to be sending them these 6 emails, but I don't want them to be overwhelmed, just to start a Plexus file or a Plexus folder in their email and just to dump them in there, but that they're there whenever they are ready for them. I don't want to overwhelm them or feel like I'm bombarding them with Plexus right out the gate. But I do like to equip them and to have them in that file for whenever they are ready. So those are the 5 things that I do with every single Plexus ambassador that I sign and bring on. After that, I don't add them to a bunch of pages. I do not tag them in a bunch of posts. That just becomes really, really overwhelming and cumbersome to them. So everything else that they need, you're going to be able to help them along the way on their journey. So I hope that that is helpful for you in getting a new ambassador started. I hope that you will start setting expectations for your customers up front, and I pray that you have a blessed day. Go Plexus!